The top places to invest your money in 2025. Number one is the stock market. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to separate this into categories, and after I recommend a place for you to invest your money, the next thing I'm going to tell you is whether your financial bracket, when I say financial bracket, I mean if you're earning between 1,000 to 10,000, if you're earning between 10,000 to $100,000, if you're earning between less than that, whether you should even be doing that kind of investment at all. So let's get back to the video. Number one is the stock market. Now, first and foremost, the stock market is risky, but it's a nice place to invest your money in the sense that you get like some really good returns and all that, and you can really start investing with as little as possible. I normally tell people that no matter how small it is that you're making, you should be able to invest a tiny percentage. Now, you're not investing the tiny percentage for profit, you're investing a tiny percentage to get to a level where you now have a habit of investing, because the same way you handle small money is the same way you're going to handle big money. So that's why I normally tell people, so start investing now. You can invest in stocks like the S&P 500. You can invest in some, if you are lucky, you're able to find somebody who is a stock guru online or on Instagram, wherever. So as long as the person has like proven results, you can follow the person's calls and all that, but always remember to take profit and always remember to use a stop loss when you're investing, like generally. But for other safer forms of investment like S&P 500 and all that, that will be good for you. So who should be investing in the stock market? Basically anyone should be investing. Even if you don't have a lot of money, you're just investing as little as you can just to get in that habit of investing, because I believe that one day you're going to get to that level where you now have millions and thousands of dollars and hundreds of thousands of dollars so that you can invest like substantially. But no matter the level you're in, you should be looking to invest into the stock market. Now, number two is real estate. Now, personally, I have a bias towards real estate. I'm not a very big fan of real estate because I see real estate more as a store of value than as something where you can flip for a profit. And depending on your goal or depending on how much you have, it usually tells on why you are investing. So most people who have below like $50,000, $10,000 and they want to invest are usually looking for a profit. But those people who have millions of dollars are not really looking for a profit. They're looking for, how will I put it now? They want it to accumulate over a long period of time. They just need a percentage of that money. I remember back then when I was talking to one of my friends, he's a billionaire, and I asked him that, okay, what is his best form of investment? Maybe I'm just going to give that away right now, but his best form of investment is a fixed deposit where he just gets 20% of his cash. So, and I was quite confused at the beginning, and this was like some few years back, and he made me understand that imagine you have $10 million, and from that $10 million, every single year you're going to, from a fixed deposit, you get 20% into that into that $10 million, or from that $10 million. That's $2 million per year. Now, $2 million divided by 12 should be around, give or take, let's say almost 200K or thereabouts. I might be wrong, but $200,000 is a lot of money for something that you're getting totally passively. So the way the big guys play the game and the way everybody else who is just trying to come up play the game is totally different. And I can tell you for a fact that there's a particular level you get to and more money does not make any difference. I think that level should be around like $2 to $10 million. So yeah, real estate for me is more of a store of value than it is something that you can flip, because you can't really liquidate it really fast. And if you don't have steady cash flow already, I don't see any reason why you should be looking to invest in real estate, because you're just only going to tie down your money and it's going to rip you off of the opportunities that are going to present themselves that are capital intensive in the future. So that's real estate. Now, number three is cryptocurrency and blockchain. Now, whether you like it or not, cryptocurrency, blockchain, all those things, they are here to stay. And if you know how to strategically position yourself properly, you can make big bucks. In fact, there are a lot of people who have turned their lives around because of cryptocurrency, people who have turned their lives around because of all this kind of things. So there's a difference between trading and investing. You have to understand that. Somebody who is trading is looking for a quick profit. Somebody who is investing is not really looking to take profit till after a year. But most people mix the two. They think trading is investing. So if you're not ready to wait for a year or wait for 6 months or thereabout, that's like the reasonable time. You are a trader, you're not an investor. So one way you can trade. Now, I'm kind of shifting away from the total topic right now, but I believe you totally understand why I'm doing this, because I know there are different kind of people that are watching this video, and based on their income level, some might be able to invest, some might think they're investing, but what they're actually trying to do is they're trying to trade. So you need to know the difference between the two. So one thing you can also do is that you can dive into like really useful projects, Bitcoin, Ethereum. This is not financial advice, by the way. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all these coins that are really big right now, you can just play safe with them. 30%, 20%, that works extremely well. Okay, that's going to work well for you. But if you're looking for like really quick profits, there's something called decentralized finance. I don't usually recommend it, but that's what actually turns people to millionaires. If you ask people like, oh, what actually changed your life? Oh, they bought a coin and the coin did 1 million x, 1,000x. You can't do that by investing in Bitcoin, right? You do that by investing in coins that are like total shit. But the truth is that it's moon or dust, basically. So you either get very rich or you get very poor very fast. So it just depends on it. So cryptocurrency is really a path that you can look into if you want to make some good money for yourself. But if you think about it deeply, it's quite risky, right? So you have to be very careful if you're going to invest in cryptocurrency in general. I invest in cryptocurrency. I've lost a lot of money from there. I've made some good money from there as well. It's just like a bittersweet journey at the end of the day. Now, number 4 is you can do government bonds. These are like way much more safer. You know, they're like corporate bonds and all those kind of things. I don't really have in-depth knowledge about that, but I know it's a way most of my friends invest some of their money, and you know, you can also try that as well. Then number 5 is invest in yourself, to be very honest. And this is like by far the best kind of investment you can make in yourself. Learn a skill. If you already have a skill, you need to upskill that skill. If you've already upskilled, you need to think of how can I transfer my skill into many people and make a team, you know. So the best form of investment will always be in yourself, and that's number 5. So guys, I'm telling you for a fact that if you put in mind these 5 things I've told you, I'm telling you, poverty is going to be like very far from you. I hope you've been able to get value from this particular video. I'll see you guys in the next